Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to teach you how to record on your MacBook. Only MacBook because this is all I know to do. So you want to press Shift Command 5 and you get to this area, which you can like make this big, you can make it small. Don't make it small because that's dumb. You can make it pretty much as big as you want, honestly, or as small as you want. It can cover the whole screen. You also have this option, capture selected window or capture entire screen. So what you do is you also have these options for like timer if you want to start it late. You used to accidentally press the 5-second timer, so I would like talk and 5 seconds later the video would start. And also, I can't play Roblox because the new age rating game area. What am I? Oh my god! The new age rating. I can't change it to 9+, so I can't play any games that I do on this channel, or any games at all. So that's sad. Other news, you probably know the Noah guy. The guy here. Let me get the video. You know, the guy that I wanted to subscribe. Where is the video? Here you go. Noah. Subscribe, Noah. Guess what? He just drove past my house. I said hi to him, and he did not even subscribe. Actually, I don't know if he subscribed or not. You get notifications if people subscribe, and I don't know if he did or not. I also did a face reveal video. 5 people saw it. Everyone else didn't, so you suck if you didn't. Well, no, sorry. If you didn't see it, too bad. I'm never uploading it again. It was a 15-second video of my face. Didn't even talk. Just my face. And you missed it. Lol. I also did a dog reveal, and you missed that too, because my face was accidentally in the background of it. So if you saw that, nice. I'm gonna do a face reveal, though, at 10 subscribers, so bye. This video is getting too long.